Unlock a world of shopping freedom and flexible payments with Klarna's purchase power. Ever wished you could spread out the cost of those must-have items without the hassle? Klarna's purchase power makes it possible. It's essentially a line of credit designed to help you shop now and pay later, giving you more control over your finances. So, how do you get this amazing financial tool? It all starts with your Klarna account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and easy through the Klarna app or website. When you're at checkout with a participating retailer, simply select Klarna as your payment option. Klarna will then assess your eligibility based on factors like your purchase history with them, payment habits, and sometimes a soft credit check, which won't affect your credit score. If approved, you'll see your available spending limit €1. That's your purchase power. This limit can vary from person to person and even fluctuate based on how you manage your Klarna payments. It's designed to be flexible, fitting your spending needs. Now, let's talk about using it. It's incredibly straightforward. Once you've got your purchase power, simply proceed through the checkout process as usual. Selecting Klarna, you'll see your available credit and can choose a payment plan that works for you. Klarna offers various repayment options. You might find you can pay in for interest-free installments, or perhaps a longer-term financing option with a fixed monthly payment. Always check the specific terms for your purchase. Managing your payments is just as easy. You can track your upcoming payments, make early payments, or even adjust your payment schedule directly within the Klarna app. Making payments on time is key to maintaining and potentially increasing your purchase power. That's it. Klarna's purchase power is a fantastic way to enjoy your purchases now and manage your payments with confidence. Shop smart, pay flexibly, and make the most of your Klarna experience.